When you step in, emotions will rise. Vivutravel shines bright in your eyes. We built the bridge to Vietnam's grace, from green shores to mountains' embrace. Every journey is filled with our care. Like family, we're always right there. Vivutravel, the choice number one, with warm welcome for everyone. We bring Vietnam close to your heart. Your joy is our finest art. Each tour we craft with love so true, creating memories just for you. From